This sculpture is absolutely one of the museum's crown jewels. Absolutely one of the most important Asian art pieces in the world residing in New Orleans Museum of Art. This Guanyin represents one who has delayed enlightenment to stay here on earth to help others. Now, originally when it was purchased by the New Orleans Museum of Art, it was thought that this was from the 14th century, Ming Dynasty. But they take a look inside and there are two hidden chambers within the sculpture, and in those they find documents from 1173. It is a Buddhist sculpture from the Ming Dynasty. Yeah, this artwork is also a time capsule. This Guanyin is in the royal ease pose, meaning that it has this serene, ready to help posture about it. We see the calm-faced, the relaxed posture, the deep presence. It is carved from Palona wood and has been radiating compassion for nearly 900 years.
One does not speak unless one knows. Is that not the creed?